today we're gonna play something, and my friends are here. These are my friends. Come. This is Sophie. This is Tony, the spoiled child. Ikaw na naman. Ikaw magbibideo kasi sasabi mo ano rin natin.
Today, we're gonna play Hide the Toys.
We're gonna play Hide the Toys because we're bored of doing something. Okay, my friend Sophie's gonna hide them.
Okay, I'm gonna hide it. Dun kayo.
Basta yung tumingin ko, hindi ka gagawin.
Okay, so I'm playing. I'm the one who's gonna hide. I'm good at hiding things. A trampoline. Okay, it's okay. He's faking! Hindi pa! Tatawagin ko na lang kayo, dun na lang kayo sa kwarto. Okay, so I'm still gonna hide this. I don't know where. Doon kayo sa kwarto! Okay. I cannot find the hiding spot, but I think I saw something here. And then I'm gonna hide it. Di pa! Not there. Tinatago po to. Sorry for distractions. The last one. Okay. Ready, guys!
Ready? Okay. It's ready.
Go find it, go find it.
We are in the Philippines.
Tony has 1 point.
I have 0 points.
Okay, Gab.
Ano malapit?
Wala. Bawal magsabi ng ganyan. Tony, English lang tayo.
What the? Sabi. Sure mo dito mo lang tinago yung mga stuff?
No. Only part of this part.
Dito.
Not there. Here.
Dito?
Oh, kahit dyan. You know, guys, how to speak Filipino. So, okay. Tony has 2 points. We're gonna speak English or Tagalog. Close na sana si Gab. Doon, close na sana.
Close? Close na ako.
Tony, madali na.
Wala.
Hanapin mo lang, Tony, kung saan mo gusto. Okay, malapit na si Gab.
Yeah!
Gab has 1 point. Tony has 2 points. The last one. Yung marble, kailangan pa hanapin.
Ha?
Yung marble, kailangan pa hanapin.
Uy, ayun yung prize.
Hoy, walang prize. Yung marble, kailangan pa hanapin. sabi ng ditong part. Diyan na kagad ka. Hindi, ditong part. Only the last two.
Uy, nandito.
I know I'm ugly. I know I'm ugly. I'm not beautiful. Walang malapit.
Lumalapit. Wala.
Wala pa rin. Hint, something pink. Pink and red and yellow.
Ha? Pink and red on the yellow.
Dito din kayo humanap.
Okay.
2 points for Tony. I mean 2 points for Gab, 2 points from Tony. Only the last one. Hindi naman sila Gabo. Ako na yun. Go na.
Dali na hin. Dali na hin.
Something green and with a color brown. Tinitingnan mo yung Gab kanina.
Saan?
Yung dito kang part.
Oh!
You cannot
Saan? Dito.
ditong part.
Ayan!
So, Gab wins because Gab was 3 points. Tony has 2 points.
Ako nanalo.
Since Gab wins, that means she have 1 point in the record. Okay, a new game. A new game now. We're gonna play Langit Lupa.
Ako nagbibidyo.
Okay, Langit Lupa naman tayo.